forget his first name. This man is history before he is even current events. Llamas is back to say, one, as if to prove a clean conscience and also to shove it in our faces, that he owns even more communist high-powered guns than the AK-47 taken by the police at the scene of an accident, where initial reports put his son.
Kabila ng kabi-kabilang panawagan para sibakin sa pwesto si Presidential Advisor on Political Affairs Ronald Llamas dahil sa pagbili nito ng pirated na DVD. Binigyan lang daw ito ng memo ng Malacanang. Ang kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abby Valte, pinaalalahanan daw si Llamas na mas maging maingat sa mga aksyon bilang public official. Di na raw siya kailangang sibakin sa pwesto dahil inamin naman daw niya ang pagkakamali at humingi ng tawad.
Presidential Political Advisor Secretary Rolando Llamas is confident that efforts to oust President Aquino will not succeed.
Yung mga mahalagang institusyon ng pamahalaan, militar, mga iba't ibang departamento ay permanently divided na, no? Kaya I greatly doubt kung yung condition na yun ay nandyan.
Okay, you, Lisa, the rumor is that you are having an affair with someone in Malacanang. You are going with Ronald Llamas.
What? What? Secretary Ronald ay matagal kong kasama
What
sa
does
ating
that
kilusan.
mean?
Comrade, colleague, at so kasama ko pa rin siya hanggang 3 dekada na kaming magkakaibigan.
No offense, he's not married and neither are you.
I'm a widow.
And he. What about Ronald? Is he married?
I think
How can you know him for 30 years and
Yeah.
not know that he's married or not?
he's separated.
Pangatlong dahilan, ang unti-unting pagmamaniobra at pagsakop ng kaliwa sa pamamahala ng gobyerno at ang kanilang napipintong takeover ng ating bansa. Tila kaya ay hawak na hawak ni Ronald Llamas at ang kanyang mga kakosa sa leeg ang Pangulong Aquino.